No, we have breadcrumbing. So somebody has been breadcrumbing an earth angel, okay? Someone has been breadcrumbing an earth angel. I'm seeing that there's a karmic male behind the earth angel, a narcissist. Okay? That's been breadcrumbing an earth angel energy. This person is stalking. Not only do they breadcrumb you, there's energy of them stalking and watching you. And spirit is saying this person has a dirty banana. It seems like this energy is definitely addicted to toxicity. Player, user, narcissist came out again, multiple partners, and opportunist energy. Hopefully, and clarify the stalking, if you will. Stalking. What do we need to know? Clarify this stalking energy, please. And it seems like this person is watching secretly. If you look outside the window, there's the moon. It's nighttime. The moon talks about secrets, illusions, secrets. And whatever they're doing it strategically. There's an energy of strategy here, planning, possibly trying to predict, think ahead. Stalking. This person still got some sort of love for you. They just creepy as hell. Spirit says you're gonna be okay. No more for stalking. It seems like this person is. It seems like this person is watching you, but it look like you are doing okay or something like that. Number 48, number 65 could definitely be significant, but I'm seeing like there's a family here. I don't know if you have a family with this person or you have a family with someone else and they're just simply on the outside looking in, but still like having these emotions for you. It's what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing that there's an energy of stability, harmony, or maybe this is something that they want with you or something like that. Maybe they want a family with you. It's giving me a headache, y'all. I'm getting a headache. This reading right here is giving me a headache. Let's go and clarify the strategy. At the bottom of the deck over here, I'm seeing good news, some sort of surprise. I don't know if it's good news. It's talking about a surprise, y'all. It look like there might be a letter, some mail. I don't know, email, text message, phone call, DM. I don't know what this is because I'm definitely seeing this person holding a letter. Let's go and clarify the strategy. Greetings, I am Nora. Welcome to the Divine Space. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Take a resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let it fly. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. It could be a feminine energy. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed. Personal readings down below in the description box. Now let's go ahead and clarify the strategy. Now that we got that here, I mean out the way. Clarifying the strategy is Emperor energy. So could be some sort of authoritative figure. This could possibly be like a father figure. This could be like a husband. This could be like somebody's boss even. Clarify the strategy. There's an energy of immaturity. I don't know. There may even be some sort of I don't know whoever this person is. It seems like they want to. It's like there's someone is extending some sort of love offer or something like that. Possibly wanting to get to know someone. Clarify the strategy. And I'm seeing somebody like having some sort of boundaries up or been having boundaries up. There's an energy of someone standing their ground, maintaining some sort of boundaries, if you will, for what I'm seeing here, especially when it comes to possibly communicating. And it looks like there's an energy of this that is gaining up some sort of momentum. Someone is planning to strategically approach someone to want to get to know someone, is what I'm seeing here. Clarify that. Let me grab one more for strategy. That's too many. I feel like this person may have even been manifesting you. Strategy. Even if this is not someone that you used to talk to, you guys, this person has a dirty banana, y'all. I'm seeing a Queen of Pentacles energy out here. Someone has Earth in their chart. Cancer, Scorpio, I mean Capricorn towards Virgo. Maybe they have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Maybe even a water sign. I'm seeing an energy of someone carrying a whole lot of burdens. I'm seeing more of this person is possibly have a lot of responsibilities, okay? Coming out as the emperor, they have a whole lot of responsibilities. Maybe they have a business or something, like I stated before. And it seems like they're trying to approach a earth sign, or this emperor could possibly be an earth sign, but nonetheless, it seems like there's an energy of this person like very sexual or moved with a lot of passion for what I'm seeing here. This person is watching. Clarify this okay energy. So it's like they're trying to give you the bare minimum, trying to break from the earth angel and watching. Clarify okay because things gonna work out in your favor. With this justice card, it seems like someone's gonna be held accountable or receive some sort of consequences. I don't this is not gonna go the way that this person expect it to go. Okay? Yeah. Because it seems like this person possibly look, there's the Ace of Cups out here. A new beginning, a new romance, or something like that. Is like a wish come true, clarifying, okay? But I'm seeing the Justice card out here as well. Like things is not, I don't think things gonna work the way that this person expected, especially in regards to them possibly wanting to cause some sort of restriction for you or put you in a situation where you're possibly trapped. I'm seeing the Temperance out here like bring a balance to a situation. I'm seeing the energy of being patient, especially in regards to meeting people. I don't know. Or returning to people or something like that. Clarify this family energy. Like I stated before, you could have a family with this person or they're stalking you, or this person possibly see themselves wanting to have a family with you or something like that. Place whatever way it needs to be placed. Clarify this family. My nose is itching. Clarify family. What's going on with this family energy? Number 40, 46 could be significant. I'm seeing a death. So it looked like there is some sort of spiritual transformation, especially when it can come to a family situation. I'm seeing like there is an energy of someone letting go, or there was some sort of ending. Maybe someone might have passed away. My condolences, but I'm definitely seeing something coming to an end. And I'm seeing there's a fire sign here. King of Wands, Aries, masculine energy could definitely be significant. I'm seeing like there is an energy of someone torn, having to make some sort of difficult decision, painful choice. I'm seeing the Nine of Pentacles. It seems like somebody definitely have an energy of independence. All right. There's some sort of financial stability, financial security, possibly some sort of independence from what I'm seeing here. And I see the Empress out here. Matriarch, mother figure. I'm seeing like somebody feeling like there is some sort of sadness. There's an energy of possibly feeling there's an energy of abandonment or mourning. An Empress energy is what I'm showing here, some sort of partnership or connection after being let go or left alone or viewing things from a different perspective or something like that. Again, there's passion at the bottom of the deck. There's an energy of someone moving with a lot of passion or very passionate or something like that. Fire sign Sagittarius could definitely be significant. And I'm seeing someone making plans for the future or made plans for the future, especially in regards to moving forward. I'm seeing an energy of freedom, success, and happiness. After learning some sort of lesson with this wounded warrior energy, I'm seeing someone being moved to calmer waters. Queen of Wands is leaving. So there's a King of Wands energy that's getting left by a Queen of Wands energy. I'm also seeing over here that there's an Empress, so it might be a mother figure over here. Something to do with a family. I'm seeing the Emperor out here, so it might have been this King of Wands. That Emperor might be the King of Wands energy, is what I'm seeing here. That's being left. That's possibly stalking someone else, possibly. Let me see. Anything else? Anything else? Due to some sort of betrayal, lies, cheating, trickery, underhanded behavior. I'm also seeing an energy of dishonesty, risky behavior. Yep, interacting with the risky behavior. From what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing that there is an energy of juggling financially, possibly trying to find some sort of balance to a situation, and it look like there's an energy of someone getting a new job. I'm seeing like there's an energy of some sort of solid beginning, someone setting goals. There's an increase in income when it comes to someone standing in their power. That's what I'm showing here. There's an energy of someone having inner strength and taking a leap of faith in a different direction after being betrayed, backstabbed. It's what I'm seeing here. While there's someone that's feeling overwhelmed, I see it looks like somebody finds it hard to go to sleep. There's a lot of mental activity at night. is what I'm seeing here. Mm. Someone looking up at I was gonna say looking up at the stars, possibly looking up at the ceiling or something like that. Yeah, fear, anxiety, and stress because of closing of a cycle and separation, and somebody made a choice to leave. But it is like in divine timing. It seems like somebody might have had received some sort of assistance. This might be Archangel Michael, especially when it comes to someone that possibly want to continue to hold on to you. Not only is this physical thing, this is spiritually. Like somebody didn't want to let go of you physically, neither they want to let go of you spiritually. But again, there's an energy of someone having a dirty banana, y'all. It might be this King of Wands. It might be this Emperor energy, you guys, because they were possibly talking to someone else, this Queen of Pentacles. They might have been trying to talk to, or have been talking to this Queen of Pentacles or something like that. There's an energy of this person stalking and was breadcrumbing, stalking and breadcrumbing the Earth Angel because the Queen of Pentacles is still the Earth Angel energy. But it's like they were breadcrumbing them because they were also entertaining someone else. They was already in a connection, but they was also keeping eyes on this Queen of Pentacles energy. This person definitely still got a dirty banana down. Because they're addicted to toxicity. This person is a player, a user, a narcissist, multiple partners, and an opportunist. And then we got the Three of Cups here. And this person's still getting left in the end. Whoever this person is might be someone, I don't know if you guys may have stopped talking to this person. If so, they might be reaching out to you. If not, this is definitely a confirmation for someone. After walking away, you obtain or receive some sort of good news out of the whole situation. Yep, because behind that, I'm seeing energy of triumphing. You win in the end. In the end, I'm seeing an energy of you guys receiving a victory, success. Not only the person that they were dealing with, but also the person that they brought in to, make them a third party, breadcrumbing them, lying to them, manipulating them, cheating them. Energy is what I'm seeing here. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.